Classroom artifacts are projects, typically posters, that reinforce concepts that deal directly with the curriculum in a creative way. Hey, Super Mario Physics. Now, all of these calculations were verified by the physics teachers who approved that, yeah, this is in fact how Super Mario interacts in the game if Super Mario actually had mass. Okay? And then everything else plays out. And, as a caveat, I'll just say that my understanding of physics does not include these calculations here. So, in many ways, you are smarter than I. But just understand, look around the classroom. We have examples of posters that either did or are sitting in classrooms. Classroom artifacts do not include, hey, Mrs. X's classroom, or the Valhalla Bell schedule, or something equally mundane. It deals with the curriculum being covered. It gives you an opportunity to feed two birds with one seed, to learn how to make a great poster, and to help other students who might be visual learners understand the curriculum better. Now, very important, if you're making a poster, you need to have the right image size and resolution. So let's just say I want to make a poster that's 20 by 30 inches. It's 20 inches wide, only it's inches, not pixels. So we change this to 20 and tab down to 30, and then we could tab, but it'll take us all day to cut across those things. And we want 180 pixels per inch RGB, okay, 8-bit. And then you go ahead and create it. But real important that you work in inches and that your resolution is 180 pixels per inch. Do you understand this? Because that's the resolution that our printer handles. That's the minimum resolution for a high quality print. Know your size. What size are you working on? Okay, work with the teacher. Verify your information. It has to be right. Okay, in the past, I have printed several copies of the exact, well, not the exact same poster, because the teacher looks at it and says, wow, fantastic. That's wrong. Can you change that? Look, the time to change it is in digital format, not in print format. Okay, so you're going to verify this work with your teacher. Got it?